सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्द मार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Sir? Sir, boss is calling you. Come fast.
Excuse me, sir. Can you just help me? I'm facing a problem.
Yes, why not?
Our boss just gives orders only. Do work, but how should I work?
Hey, what happened? Why are you so tensed?
You know how our boss is. He wants 4 days work to be done in 2 days. Now tell me, how is that possible?
Cool down. Everything will be done. Don't worry. Understood?
Arnav,
What was going on? I was ringing the bell since so long. Couldn't you open the door?
Arnav was listening to music and I was in the kitchen.
Whole day just music and dance. Not interested in studies at all. Now will you get some water or you'll keep me thirsty?
Yes, I'm getting it. Why are you always so irritated?
Was logging the whole day in the office. Not sitting idle at home like you.
You are not doing a favor on us by working. Every person is working for their family, so it's not an obligation.
Speak in words so sweet that fill the heart with joy. Cool breeze in summer for others and self to enjoy. It's an old saying, but very true. Usually, people love to stay with such people with whom they enjoy the conversations with. The sweetness of a communication attracts more people towards us, but still don't know why many people take out their tension, frustration in their communication, which spoils relationships.
Papa, I need to pay the fees for school picnic tomorrow.
You won't let me have dinner peacefully. He doesn't want to study. and wants us to pay the fees.
Arnav, dear, please finish your food. Arnav, listen to me. Why did you shout at him? Don't you understand that you should be speaking to him politely?
Tell me, where was I impolite? How should I speak then? I'm his enemy or what?
You will not understand.
Yeah, I will never understand. All the wisdom in this world is only known by you, right? Today again I'll be late for office. Not a single thing is placed perfectly.
Hurry up, your breakfast is waiting for you. I'll pack your tiffin.
Now you only have the breakfast. I'm already getting late for the office. You don't wake up early in the morning. Neither you wake up, nor you wake others.
What do you mean? I got up early today and also kept the breakfast ready. If you get up late, how can that be my fault?
You just simply do one favor. Henceforth, please don't argue with me. Here you argue with me, and at the office my boss scolds me every day. Am I born for this only? Don't want your breakfast.
Vinod sir, this file is sent by the boss. He has asked you to check it. It is very urgent.
Everyone has urgency. Am I a machine or what? Go get me a cup of tea.
Tea? But Mukesh makes tea. Why don't you tell him?
Do you have some problem if you get it?
Can't you see? I'm doing the work given by boss. Anyways, I'm meant for him, not for you.
Friends, generally it happens the manner that we choose to speak to someone, they reply in the same way to us. When we insult someone with our words, then we get back the same treatment, because of which we get more stressed out in life. But if we will speak with respect to someone, then we will receive the same respect from them, due to which we will feel happy.
Manoj sir, boss has sent this file. Please check it, sir.
Okay. So tell me, how have you been today?
By God's grace, everything is fine, sir.
Okay. You know what? I didn't get a tea since morning. By the way, where is Mukesh?
Don't know. He might be out for work.
Okay.
Don't worry. I will make tea for you.
Oh no, let it be. You might have other work as well.
Oh, come on, sir. I will do my work. You don't worry about it. I will go and bring a tea for you.
So tell me, Manoj, how are you? How are your family members?
All good. Everyone is fine. You tell me.
What should I tell you now? There is too much of tension. In the office, boss pressurizes me. And at home, family. Everyone is giving me tension. You're lucky, brother, that you have such a wonderful family, which supports you so much. And it's me, who is never respected anywhere. Whether it's home or office, everyone wants to argue with me.
But what happened?
Now what should I tell you, brother? Now, right from the peon at office till my kid at home, no one talks politely with me.
Listen, how you are under pressure, everyone is under pressure. Now the way you will speak, the other person will react similarly. Got it?
Now what if I scold my kid? It is for his betterment, isn't it? But it's my wife who doesn't understand this. Every day because of her I reach late at office. She never ever serves the breakfast on time, never. And if I were to question her, she's always ready for an argument with me. My friend, I'm really very irritated. I don't understand. What should I do?
Do you know something? What's the real reason behind it?
What?
Your language and the way you communicate.
What do you mean?
What I mean is, if you talk with love and be a little polite, then all your tension will go.
Oh, but my friend, right now, where am I impolite with others?
even if you don't find it, but this is what the truth is.
See, even though if I speak politely with them, they are never ever going to change, my friend.
Okay, let them not change. But at least, just for one day, you follow my advice. And then see.
Okay, fine. If you really say so.
Okay, so see you tomorrow. And yes, whatever I have told you, please keep that in mind.
I'll keep in mind. Come on, let's go. Swati, can I please have a glass of water?
I hope everything is fine with you.
Of course, everything is fine. Nothing wrong with me.
Okay, I'll get a glass of water.
Arnav, what are you doing?
I am playing video game, Papa.
Oh wow. Just show me. Today I will also play with you.
Okay. See, Papa, this is how it is played.
Oh wow.
Here is a glass of water.
You go ahead. Thank you.
Did you have your lunch today?
Oh yes. I'd been out with Manoj at lunchtime. We had lunch together.
Good. I'll get some snacks for you now, okay?
Okay.
Look here, Papa. You have to press this button to jump.
Oh, this button. That's great. You're playing really well, my son.
Come on, Arnav. You need to do your homework now.
I'll do it later, Mom.
After this, only one more game. He'll surely complete his homework. Am I right, my son?
Yes, Papa.
Mwah. Come on, play it fast.
In the next chapter, Krishna will explain how is the action in Krishna different. And
Listen, Arnav. Come on, go to sleep now. It's too late. If you learn it in the morning, you will by heart it easily.
Okay, Papa.
Good night.
1 minute, Papa.
Arnav?
Good night, Papa.
Manoj was absolutely right. What we sow, so shall we reap. Politeness creates magic. Good night, my son.
Good morning. Good morning. Come on, hurry up now. Otherwise, you'll be late to work. I've made tea for you. And even the breakfast is ready.
Swati. Thank you. Good morning, Arnav.
Good morning, Papa. Papa, I got up early in the morning and I learned everything quickly.
Oh, is it? Very good. Oh, yes. Take this. Give it to your teacher. It's your picnic fees.
Thank you, Papa.
Enough. Now stop talking and start eating. Otherwise, you'll be late to school today.
Bye, Mama.
Bye,
Bye,
Arnav.
Papa.
Bye, my son.
Take this. Your tiffin, your bag, everything is ready.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh my god. How did he change all of a sudden? Don't know how all this happened. But I hope he stays like this forever.
Shambhu uncle,
Huh?
good morning.
Good morning. Vinod sir,
Yeah.
you came very early today?
Actually, boss had given me some urgent work, so I came early to complete it.
Okay.
Tea?
Boss has also come, so I have made tea for him. Thought of giving it to you too.
Shambhu uncle,
Yes, sir.
thank you.
Welcome.
See, didn't I tell you? Try to be polite with people.
Yes, my friend. You were totally right. Yes, Manoj, your one advice totally changed my life. Today I understood, my friend, that in our life, our language and our communication can make so much of a difference. And in fact, if you want to make your life simple and easy, then our politeness is very important. And this small little thing I understood after so many days. Hey Manoj, thank you, my friend. Thank you very much.
It's okay, my friend.
Friends, whenever in your life you feel stressed or shattered everywhere, then please check first that your communication might have gone wrong. Because in life, for satisfaction, peace, and happiness, soft spoken means speaking softly with all is very important.